Hi, welcome to Kowint Energy's Shenzhen office. This is the core of our global business, not only the source of innovation, but also a meeting point of global markets. Here, this Kowint showroom, featuring a range of residential energy storage products, from low voltage to high voltage solutions, as well as efficient inverters, all designed to provide reliable energy for your home. Now, we have arrived at Kowint's Americas and Europe business units. Our team primarily focuses on the US and European markets, deeply researching local demands and developing energy storage solutions tailored to customers. We closely follow environmental and energy efficiency standards, providing innovative storage solutions for various countries and promoting the widespread use of clean energy. Our team continually customizes products to meet the growing global demand for green energy, delivering the best energy management experience. Hi, welcome to Kowint, your green energy manufacturer, where we are committed to excellence in every step. Now, join us as we take you inside Kowint to see how we achieve high-quality battery production. We are now at the incoming inspection room on the 5th floor. This is the first checkpoint for all materials entering the production line. Our inspection team rigorously samples each batch of raw materials to ensure that suppliers' products meet our high-quality standards. This meticulous quality control lays a solid foundation for subsequent high-quality production. This is our module assembly workshop. Upon entry, you can see our cultural wall, which highlights Kowint New Energy's high standards and pursuit of product quality. We always adhere to the principle of quality first, strictly controlling every detail to ensure the superior quality of the final products. This large MES screen displays the real-time production data of the factory. With this system, we can precisely monitor every stage of production, including production progress, quality control, and equipment status. This not only helps us quickly respond to production issues, but also significantly improves the overall efficiency of the factory. The MES system is the key tool for our intelligent manufacturing, making the production process more transparent and efficient. This intelligent manufacturing line is the core of our high-quality products. Here, every process, from cell sorting and pre-pressing, CCD vision, inspection, and laser welding to system integration, is meticulously designed and strictly controlled for quality. The seamless integration of automatic equipment and manual operation not only improves production efficiency, but also ensures the high-quality standards of each product. We are now at the module assembly line. Here, key components like battery modules and EMS are combined to form a complete and high-performance system. The integration workshop is not just about simple assembly, but also about ensuring that all components fit together perfectly, with over 20 test items thoroughly checked by ATE first to achieve excellent functionality and safety. Next is our capacity testing workshop, where all our products undergo complete charge and discharge testing, ensuring battery capacity, temperature rise, consistency, and so on. All test equipment is from top domestic brands, and the MES system automatically evaluates test data to ensure that every product meets the highest standards of quality and reliability before delivery. In the packaging line workshop, Products that have undergone assembly and capacity testing are subjected to final sensory binding, ATE second testing, the appearance cleaning. The final workstation uses MES scanning to trace and verify the entire production process, automatically generating finished product inspection orders sent to FQC for testing. This is the last step in the production process, ensuring that the appearance and functionality of the products meet our high standards. The FQC area is where we conduct final inspections before the products are warehoused. QA personnel randomly inspect the products to ensure they are flawless before leaving the factory. We always adhere to strict quality control standards to ensure that every product meets customer expectations. This is our microgrid integration workshop. Let's go to visit. Here you can see liquid-cooled battery combiners being assembled and debugged for US customers. The products in this area also include high integration commercial energy storage systems for clients from Japan and other regions, all meticulously assembled and tested to provide top-tier energy storage solutions. Finally, we arrived at the finished goods warehouse. It houses a large number of high-quality, high-performance products ready for customers worldwide. Kowint New Energy is dedicated to providing reliable, innovative energy solutions, driving the sustainable development of global energies.